Well guys, we got the Husky 300 all finished up for Banshee Will. Alex, is it his birthday today?
I saw on Instagram that it was.
Okay, so it's his birthday, so I guess we had okay timing on that one. I wish he had it to ride it today, but yeah, we're gonna get this video posted up. And happy birthday to you, Banshee Will. I appreciate you sending us this this trike here to build. And yeah, we're gonna start this thing up. We're gonna take it for a little spin and make sure everything mechanically is all good to go. And of course, we'll do a walk around and check it out. So let's get into it.
Welcome back.
I'm excited about this one. It's completely different with the street tires on here. So we're actually in luck today. Found my GoPro. It's been kind of just sitting in storage for a little bit. Got it charged up. Got the old beater helmet here, so I'm gonna mount it on there because I can't mount that to my bald ass head as much as I'd like to. So yeah, I'm gonna put a helmet on. I'm gonna rip around with the old GoPro. Got it on charge right here. So I'm just gonna flip the camera around and just do a walk around. And then after that, let's take this thing back out, put the GoPro on, go take it for a ride. You guys can get a first person view of how it is to ride one of these. All right guys, so we got a TX300 right here. You guys know we make trike conversion kits. If you don't, check out bbctrikes.com. So basically Banshee Will shipped us a dirt bike. We built all the components for this thing to make it a three-wheeler. And this is probably the ultimate modern day three-wheeler, honestly. The 300 KTM and the Huskies are unbelievable. They're so much fun to ride. They're super smooth, electric start, all that good stuff. They're just a freaking blast to ride. So yeah, he does a lot of street riding. So we chose to go with these tires. I'm actually gonna ask him to let me know how he likes them. I haven't personally ran them yet, other than just test riding it, but I'm really curious how long they're gonna last. The rubber compound's actually more like a medium hard. I think it's gonna last quite a while for him. So we got Omf Wheels. He runs this on his Banshee, so we got this for this build. I had them go with the machined finish on that and then basically just polish on the inside. And I actually do like the contrast because if you guys take a look at all our other billet parts that are on here, from billet axle nut, the brake stay, basically our sprocket guard, it all kind of ties in with the billet theme. That's just something that kind of came together at the end. I mean, we originally were going to powder coat the wheels, but the thing just looked killer as it is. You guys can see the billet triple trees. It all matches right down to the billet hub. Overall, thing came together really nice. We've got the YFZ 450R Meyer plastic on here. It just really fits these bikes really well. I'll show you guys these lines right here. Kind of looks OEM. So there was absolutely no trimming up here except for just the top. You guys can see all the electrical mounts are already built into our subframe. We got the ECM right here, solenoid, capacitor, and looks like a little fuse box right there. Got the ATV style gold chain on here, again with the sprocket guard. Got the chain guide on the swing arm. So everything we do is basically TRX 450R in the rear, and we copy the dirt bike linkage mounts, pivot tubes, all that fun stuff from the front, from here forward. And that allows us to basically Run these pivot bearings, these pivot sleeves, all that good stuff for an ATV style swing arm, which converts it to the 3-wheeler. Now we chose to go with the YFZ seat and grab bar. The seat also fits the bike really good. Alex went ahead and wired up the headlight. Got that all working with the tail lights. We just got a switch right here. What do you think, Alex? I know, I really like it.
I like it too.
Got our foot pegs even. Folding foot pegs, gotta have those. Can't be riding on a stock little dirt bike peg when it's a 3-wheeler. We've actually changed up our fender mount design on the KTM and the Huskies, so we've got actually a little bit beefier fender mount on there now.
That fender's not going nowhere.
It's not going anywhere. I feel like I'm running out of stuff to say. What else we got here?
Bits and bobs.
Bits and bobs. He's got the map switch right here, which is pretty cool. So he already added a trail tech on here. He already had the Pro Taper bars. Got the hour meter just chilling right there. That's what he had on the bike when it came in. Yeah, I'm excited to try the GoPro out in a little bit here. Yeah, man, other than that, this thing is just super clean. We always try to, even though he's street riding, I mean, you never know, you might run something over and bend your disc. So we got the caliper mount with the billet brake guard. So that right there is TRX 450R. It also is available for the 250R. So the exhaust, as you guys probably saw in the last video, we just cut the mid pipe, re-angled it, got it all mounted up on our subframe. This is, again, YFZ 450R grab bar. These are just the little brackets that came with the plastic. I just can't go over how good this all lined up. Everything's super clean. Yeah, let's go ride the bike. I'm gonna put the GoPro on and try it again. Get you guys some footage at the end of the video here. If you guys like trikes, check out bbctrikes.com. We've got trike kits for, God, just about everything now. It's crazy. So obviously big old kits too. We got pit bike kits coming, so we're gonna have some mini trikes. A lot of guys want to build pit trikes, and they're coming. So stay tuned, guys. Let's get on this thing. Let's take it for a ride, and that'll be the end of the video. See you in the next one. Oh, man.